Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you, can you really make 50 bucks per survey? I want to find out, and I hope you will too. Okay, let's get started. Alright guys, have you heard of Mindswarms? This is it. This is at Mindswarms or Mindswarms.com. I don't know how to pronounce it. But anyway, this is a site that is offering you guys a chance to get paid to take surveys with your phone. And all you're doing is making video surveys, okay? So it's a very interactive way to do or express your opinions, and all you gotta do is also speak in your own language, and this is for worldwide. Now, people are claiming that these people, this company is paying $50 per survey, guys, okay? And I'm gonna get to the bottom of this if this is true or not, all right? So, what is Mindswarms in the first place, okay? So, Mindswarms is you get asked questions and you get video answers. So companies and brands will come to a site like this and will offer like those surveys, will offer the questions and want to find out what people think about certain products or services, right? So they will create a survey for you to take. So as a survey taker like you and me that want to check this out, if we could get one of these surveys in our inbox, then we would answer it with our phone, okay? You will use your smartphone to record your video, and you're going to answer the questions that are in the survey that way. So I'm just going to increase my screen here. It says, with smartphones in hand, humans have developed an insatiable appetite for capturing and sharing life experiences on video, from the mundane to the spectacular. As people's use of video has grown, their comfort level recording themselves has increased proportionately. On self-recorded video, they are candid, authentic, emotionally unguarded. And this is why they want you to do video surveys. Video is the best way to understand people perceptually, attitudinally, behaviorally, experimentally, and most importantly, emotionally. Imagine within hours or days of creating a study, you can review self-recorded mobile videos from people all over the world sharing their perceptions on brands, advertising, messaging, products, packaging, apps, websites, and or culture. So there's going to be different ways for you to do the videos. So there's different types. Perceptions and attitudes, close-ups provide a unique way to read subtle yet important facial cues, gather perceptions on brands, communications, services, products, environments, and more. Show and tell. Consumers are more stimulated and articulate holding or doing something. Ask them to show you an object, give you a tour of their space, or walk through a process. Prompt and react. Get spontaneous and unfurnished reactions to concepts. Attach a link for them to view and add, message, website design, video, or any other asset. Capture visceral and emotional responses to your materials. And then the last one is retail and events. Send consumers to retail and have them provide genuine feedback on in-store signage, menu messaging, buying journeys, product trial, service staff, or overall experience. So those are like the different types of videos that you can expect to be making. So you're going to click get paid to take surveys, and then you're going to join them on your desktop using this form, or you can then download them into your phone instead, since this is a phone thing anyway. So it's available both in the Google Play and on the iTunes Store. Now on Google Play, the ratings are 3 stars and a bit at 200 reviews, 3.3. So when people like it, they really like it. If they don't like it, they really. So it's not like a love and hate relationship here. This is what I actually kind of experienced in my research here. Okay, so could Could you really earn 50 bucks a survey from Mindswarms is the big question here. And they actually do pay by PayPal actually. So you get paid, receive $10 to $50, sometimes more per study in 24 hours via PayPal. Record 40 to 60-second videos of yourself responding to study questions. So some people just don't like it, and then some people love it. For iTunes, it's just slightly better at 3.4 and only 75 people rating it. Okay. So yeah, it's either again 5-star or 1-star. There's not much in between. You either love it or you hate it. So it's saying that it could be frustrating because you need to qualify for the study. Well, of course, that's like any kind of survey. There are more reviews that I've seen though. So this is surveypolice.com, and in their post, these are real users. Okay, so and there's some from May. So 2019 on this site. See, some people really like it and some hate it. See, this hardly. It's either 4 or 5-star and then it's 1-star. So it's like a hit or miss, okay? But this guy's saying you gotta have patience, okay? This guy's saying, at first it was difficult to get accepted into a survey, but now I've noticed that the more you apply for surveys, the greater your chances are to get accepted. It's worth being patient because the pay is significant, greater than any other paying survey websites. They paid me 50 bucks for my first survey. It took me a month to get an accepted survey, so be persistent. Keep waiting to get accepted. You will be pleased that you did. Okay, so it's a matter of waiting for the right survey for you that you will qualify for, okay? So here's another site, Earn That Buck. This is a forum about Mindswarms, and again, these reviewers do like it somewhat, but they also have things they don't like as well, because there's not a lot of work. Basically, that's what I find with a lot of these sites, guys, is that you don't have a lot of opportunity, even though they may have great pay. Okay, so it's a matter of this company going there and getting enough clients. So if they don't have enough clients, they're not going to have enough jobs or surveys for you guys to kind of fill out, okay? And I'm sure there's going to be a lot more people who are waiting for the surveys than there are brands and companies actually using their service. So they need to really mark it up so that they can offer workers even more ways to apply for these surveys, okay? So as you can see that this Mindswarms do pay out. They do pay out $50 per survey if you qualify, that is. So you could be waiting for a long time. So this can be something that you can just have in your back pocket, just sign up for, and then if you qualify, right? But seriously though, this is not a great way or a way that is dependable to make money online, as you can see. So if you want to start something that's more dependable and learn some real online skills that can make you some real online money, guys, make big bucks online, you need to check out the link in my description below. The first link, that program will teach you online skills that will make you big bucks, guys, okay? And you can learn different business models in that program, not just one, but 4 major business models that you can do online. And you could pick one of those for you. And I use one of those business models myself since 2016, and I love it because I get to earn passively and make a good full-time income with my online business, guys, okay? But it starts with educating yourself and learning some online skills that is required to earn big money online, guys, okay? So I hope you will check out that first link in my video description below. And I hope I can see you making some big money soon on here. All right, guys. So if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Okay, guys, I hope you make big money soon, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye.